On this day, Josue by the power vested on me by God and by the government, Josue Muda Tali and Kimberly Tusan Alberto. On this day, May 30, 2026, at the church in Don Marcelino, Sitio Punalong, Barangay Dalupan, Don Marcelino, Davao Occidental, 11:12 in the morning. Now, I pronounce you husband and wife. Amen. Mapakpak mga igala, mga igsoon. Magwato na ni. Sige na ni sila kiss. 12 ka tuig yun. Pero, kini karon morning, una, first, legal kiss. So, akong saksiyan, mga igala, mga igsoon.